Hey there, Terry here from The Sweet Spot by TLF. It's my own white label version of Go High Level, built specifically for coaches and business owners with all my pre-built templates, which I'm adding to at all times, as well as my full training library and support system. And so I just want to talk today about a new feature that has been added, a new integration to High Level, which is an integration with Canva. And so this is my demo account here. If you're in media storage, in order to connect it, you select this button up here that says Connect Canva, and you'll get some prompts similar to other integrations. I'm not going to go into that. Here's mine here. As you can see, I have all my existing media organized in folders, which makes things easier to find. And then now how it works is, you can see I'm on the All tab here. Oh, and one other note is you can also connect your Google Drive, which is helpful for bringing in documents or videos or other things as well. So you scroll down to Canva, and as you can see, here's all of the images, which is very similar to what's here in my actual Canva account. So what you do is you would pick the item that you want. And so one thing to note here is that how it works is if your Canva design has multiple pages to it, multiple designs within it, when you do this and download it, import it to the media library. So right now these are not actually in my media storage. It's almost like you're just viewing it. So in order to bring it into your storage and to use it in design, you have to say import to media library. And so you can see it's doing that. And now if I go back to all, it will show up right there. So as you can see, this has turned this into a PDF, and that's because this particular design in Canva has multiple icons in it that I use. And so if you want it to come up as a single file, as a PNG, then in Canva, there can only be one page to it. So that's typically not how I work, but if you're going to want to use this in the long run, whenever you do a new design, you should be cloning it and making sure that you're only having one item per file. So that's just one small note about it. So it's right there. Let's see if I can find something that's a single file. I don't think I have a lot of those because it's not typically what I do. These are all files. So that's how you do it. So mine are probably not the most ideal because they're all things. I think this one, that's a PDF. Maybe this one. Let's try this one. Import to media library, just because I want to show it to you in an actual design. Okay, successfully added. So I'm going to go to all. Okay, so you can see this is a PNG now here at the bottom. And if I wanted, I can move it to my logos folder, which is over here. But for now, we'll just leave it. Okay, so now I have a funnel open. Oh, there it is. So this is a just a template that's in High Level. This is not one of my own. So you can use the Ask AI, but say, for example, I wanted to change this image here. So now if I go to image and I go to here, it will go to my media storage and I'll see it right there. It looks like you can still go to Canva and pick one, but we'll just pick this one for now. And boom, it's been replaced. Now this isn't an ideal image for this spot, but that's how you would use this new feature.